First up, physical and occupational therapies. It helps patients regain mobility and physical activity after injuries and illnesses.
This section are the tools such as swings, hoisters, balance beams, walkers, canes, wheelchair, and other balance-enhancing devices. This ultrasonic therapy instrument is used to treat various stroke patients and musculoskeletal pathologies like osteoarthritis, soft tissue shoulder pathology, and myofascial pain. As you can see, the coordinator doing the demonstration. Next area is the demonstration of how to determine if the patient have a problem of his posture. Lastly, this area shows the equipment of different activities of exercises.
Let's visit radiology. This is where students and interns observe and assist radiologists in using imaging technologies like X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs to diagnose and treat medical conditions. In this room, they learn how to interpret test results and develop treatment plans under the guidance of experienced radiologists.
Our RadTech coordinator conducted an orientation to introduce us to the laboratory's function and equipment. During this orientation, the coordinator explained the role and responsibilities of RadTech, demonstrated how to operate the laboratory equipment and machines, and provided guidance on troubleshooting and maintenance procedures. This orientation aimed to familiarize us with the laboratory's operations and ensure a safe and efficient working environment.
Moving on to the veterinary medicines, where veterinarians care for our animal companions, ensuring their health and well-being. From preventive care to surgeries, they ensure that your pet leads to a healthy life.
Veterinary students taught us the proper techniques for restraining a dog to ensure both the animal's and the technician's safety during blood collection. The process involves applying alcohol to prevent infection, holding and flicking the dog's foot to locate the vein, then carefully inserting a syringe to draw blood. Afterward, the syringe is sealed, the needle removed, and the sample sent to the laboratory for testing. We also observed the tools used for testing blood, feces, and other fluids, and were shown the proper techniques for performing surgeries, including how to open and close stitches effectively. This hands-on experience highlighted the importance of precision and care in veterinary procedures.
Now let's visit the field of optometry. Optometry specializes in the diagnosis and treatment of eye disorders. They perform eye exams, prescribe corrective lenses, and provide guidance on eye health and vision care.
During our visit, we got a hands-on look at specialized tools like the phoropter for vision testing, the lens meter for verifying eyeglass prescription, and the slit lamp for examining eye structures. We also observe how optometry students dedicate a significant amount of time to ensuring the correct lenses for each type of glasses. Optometrists do more than a prescribe glasses. They diagnose eye diseases, detect early signs of conditions like glaucoma, and help improve overall vision.
Nursing is a healthcare profession focused on providing compassionate care, promoting health, preventing illness, and assisting in the treatment and recovery of patients.
This area show the reproductive system. Next is the private room and the ward area. This is our nursing coordinator having an annotation about the basic fundamentals of nursing. Lastly, this area are the 3D model mannequin, reproductive organ, and different fetus stages and pregnancy stages.
Owing to the profession of medical technologists, they are the detectives behind the scenes, performing tests that aid in diagnosis. Their analysis provide critical data that informs patient treatment plans, guide medication decisions.
We have medical technology students who will demonstrate various medical procedures. As we enter the room, they introduce themselves as medtech students. First, they demonstrate how phlebotomy works. Atilani demonstrates the process and they ask for a volunteer. In this clip, she shows us how to collect blood using a syringe from the patient and carefully transfer it to the test tubes. Next, Kuya Daniel demonstrates blood typing. As we watch, Kuya Daniel adds 3 different solutions to determine the blood's reaction. After remixing the blood, he places it in a glass tester and mixes it thoroughly with each solution. As we observe, we slowly see the reaction and notice the differences. The blood reacts to the blue solution, indicating that the patient's blood type is AB positive. It's amazing to see how this test can accurately determine the patient's blood type.
Next, we have pharmacy. Pharmacists are the bridge between medicine and patient care, ensuring safe and effective use of medications. They collaborate with doctors and educate patients, making sure treatments are both safe and effective.
On pharmacy laboratory, we can see here a place where medicines are prepared, compounded, and dispensed, and also the profession or practice of preparing, reserving, and dispensing medical drugs. The coordinators show an example of us and demonstrate how to mix chemicals and ask 2 volunteers to us to do the experiment.
Now let's visit dentistry. Dentists specialize in the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of disorders and conditions of the people mouth. They work with dental hygienists and assistants to provide dental cleanings, fillings, and other treatments.
This area is called a dental clinic. They use high technology machines that helps provide dental treatment to all patients. They include also tools to examine, manipulate, treat, restore, and remove teeth and surrounding oral structures. It also helps prevent problems such as tooth decay and gum disease.
We hope you enjoy this behind-the-scenes look at 8 different medical fields. If you're considering a career in medicine, hope this vlog has given you a better idea of what to expect. That's it for our medical Russian tour vlog. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of healthcare professions.
Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.